absolutely done, and we are going to turn the gas totally off and plate up in 5 minutes. So see you then. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all today? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I wouldn't be able to do all of these without your support. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we have got you this beautiful, lovely chicken recipe that we are coming to bring you on the table. And it's not going to be complicated to make, and it's also a winter recipe, quick, simple and easy. And yeah, so that's what we have got for you today with this linguine spaghetti here that we got from Tesco's, and all of these other ingredients here. You will not miss out on anything because we are going to be showing you step by step how we put all of these together to become that wonderful, beautiful meal. Okay, so in the meantime, let's jump into it. So guys, first we are going to split the chicken open, and we are going to be seasoning it and set it on the side for the seasoning to go in the chicken, and it will become a lovely and beautiful taste. So that's what we are going to do. By the way, it's chicken breast as well. You can use chicken thighs or any part of the chicken that you wish to use. So chicken nicely split, not fully cut away, just split open like that. So guys, we are going to add some oil on our chicken breast all through and all over, and then we will be adding our seasoning on top of it as well. We are using dry parsley. You can use as much as you want if you love a beautiful nice seasoning, or you can use less if you want to as well. And this is all-purpose seasoning, and this one is a Swedish seasoning called Allkrydda. That one was brought to me by my friend when she came to visit me from Sweden. And that one is a dry chili flakes. This one's salt, and we got some paprika here. Then we have black pepper here as well. And we are going to make sure all the seasoning go into the chicken by dabbing it on the chicken to make sure it is all well nice seasoned. If you've got any gap that hasn't touched the seasoning, you can go on and add seasoning on it. So we will be flicking this over and do the other side as well, because we want everything to be seasoned. So now we've got our water on and boiling already. We are going to start off by cooking our linguine spaghetti, and we're going to add a little amount of oil in the water so that the pasta or the spaghetti doesn't stick when we cook it. And also you can cook your spaghetti according to the packaging instructions. Also, we are going to go on and spread our spaghetti around so that it cooks off nicely and they don't stick together. So our pasta is done now. We are going to take it out of this water. We don't want it to overcook in it, because when you leave it in the water it carries on cooking. So we are going to drain the water and set it aside. So we've got our wok on and it is nicely hot. So you can see we are going to go on and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Also, as you can see, our chicken has nicely seasoned in the seasoning and it's looking absolutely fab. Oil is nice and hot. We are going to go on and fry our chicken. Okay, so the last piece of the chicken has been taken out and we are going to set it aside for 3 minutes. Also, did you see how much flavor is left in the wok? So we are going to go on and add 1 tablespoon of butter. While that melts away, we're going to go on and add our 4 cloves of garlic that we minced. Also, we are going to add 1 white onion that we diced. Okay, so while the onion is cooking nice and softly, we are going to go on and add 150 grams of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms in. Okay, so the mushrooms also have cooked up beautifully. We are going to go on and add our cherry tomatoes in that we cut into half. And by the way, it is 150 grams of the cherry tomatoes as well. So we're going to add 2 cups of milk, and this is a heavy cream milk. We are going to leave these ones to cook as well, and we're going to leave the cream and all of these ingredients to cook for 3 minutes. So guys, we've got the chicken here and it has set a little bit so that it is nice and easy to cut. Also, the juice here, don't get rid of it. This is all the flavor that comes out of this chicken. We're going to go on and slice our chicken. So guys, this bad boy here is cooking beautifully well. Very happy with the result, and we are going to go on and add our linguine pasta in. As you add, you can stir in and make sure it gets in the sauce. And at this point, your sauce will be a little bit thicker. If that happens, you can add a little bit more milk. Then we are also going to go on and add our leftover seasonings in. Whatever seasonings left, we add it in. Then we give all of that a stir. Make sure it is all nicely coated. Then I'm also going to go on and add yummy juice that was left under the chicken. We couldn't have get rid of that because it tastes very nice. As you can see guys, I have gone on and changed my mixing spoon because this thing is taking a lot heavier to mix, so I decided to change and go back to the one I was using before. And at this point, I'm going to go on and add the spinach in. I don't want the spinach to cook too long, so that's why I'm adding it at this point. And this was 250 grams of spinach. You can add more if you want to. Then I'll give that all a mix. And I forgot to mention one thing guys, if you're cooking this recipe, try and cook it on medium heat. Okay, so now we are going to go on and add our spar of the sun. And we're not going to add all of it in, as we are going to use some of it for the plating up for our presentation. This chicken is smelling so good and this recipe is absolutely lovely. So guys, if you've managed to watch up to this point, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Fatim Ali's Kitchen so that you see more recipes. I'm going to go on and add the last step of the cooking, which is our Parmesan cheese. We are going to just go on and save it on the cooking. You can do as much as you want or as little as you want. I'm just gonna go and do how much I want to go in. Then I'll give it all a mix. Cook it for 2 minutes. Then we will plate up this beautiful creamy chicken linguine. So guys, this is one simple, easy, basic recipe of our chicken and linguine pasta. that we make for you in the kitchen today, and I hope you enjoyed watching it while we make it for you. If you do, click the like, we will be appreciating that. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on contents. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting Fatim Ali's Kitchen. We wouldn't have been able to do all of these without your support. Thank you so much, and you're all invited to come and join us with this beautiful recipe. It's nice and hot, ready to go. Don't forget to share us out also on your community tabs. Also, thank you for our members who are Fatim Ali's members. We appreciate all of you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until we come on your way again soon, we love you all and goodbye.